Hello, and welcome to Adservio. Today, I will present the kindergarten teacher account, and for you to get familiar with our features, I will get you through the most common modules within our platform. In my classes, you will have all the classes that are under your assignment, and by selecting one of them, you will see the list of children in that class. You can assign badges individually to each child using the available badges offered by our platform, and you can also mark a child as absent. Another action you can perform as kindergarten teacher is sending the detailed description of the meals the student has taken on that day to his parents. On the same module, you have the option to assign homework and projects to your class, with the possibility to review the homework and to provide personalized feedback. You can also create online lessons with your class using multiple video conference services, and by doing so, your class can be up to date with the lessons. You have a module dedicated to your files and media that can be uploaded and then shared with your class, parents, and other teachers. The history module displays every single action you have performed in our platform, from adding badges and absences to sending messages or surveys. With Adservio, you have the option to send surveys to specific classes, parents, or teachers. And with one click, you have the option to review the results in an interactive manner. You can easily communicate with parents and other teachers through the Messages module. Now, there is no need to know their email addresses. Plus, all data is kept safe. You will be notified of each new message by app notification and email. For extra activities in your school, you can create groups for events, learning projects, trips, volunteering projects, teacher councils, parents' meetings, and so on. These groups can be set to public or private, with live chat, video conferences, file sharing, or calendar. As a kindergarten teacher on Adservio, you have access to an entire library full of textbooks. And besides that, you have access to EduMarket, a module dedicated to educational resources and personal development.